In this tutorial, you will learn how to integrate Slack with GoHighLevel using Zapier. By following these steps, you will enable seamless communication between these two platforms, enhancing your workflow and productivity. To begin, navigate to the Zapier homepage. You can do this by entering the Zapier URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, ensure that you are on the main dashboard where you can see options such as Explore and Make a Zap. Next, locate the button labeled Create. This button is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you can start creating your automation, known as a Zap. After that, find the Zaps tab on the left side of the screen. Clicking this will display any existing Zaps you have created. Look for a button or link that allows you to create a new Zap, which will direct you to the Zap creation interface. Once you are on the Zap creation page, type Slack to GoHighLevel into the search bar. This action allows you to specify the integration you want to set up. Look for the search results that appear and ensure you select the correct integration option. Click on the option labeled Start Building. This will initiate the setup process for your new Zap. You should see a new screen where you can configure the trigger and action for your integration. Next, locate and click on Slack from the available app options. This will prompt the Zapier interface to load the Slack integration settings, allowing you to specify what actions in Slack will trigger the integration. Following this, click on Trigger Event. This option will allow you to select the specific event in Slack that will initiate the workflow. A drop-down menu will appear with various trigger options. Select New Message Posted to Channel from the list of trigger events. This choice will ensure that any new message posted in a specified channel will initiate the action you set up in GoHighLevel. Afterward, you will need to click on Account. This step is necessary to connect your Slack account to Zapier. A prompt will appear asking you to authenticate your Slack account by logging in and granting permissions. Now click on Connect Slack. Once you click this option, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to log into your Slack account. Ensure you enter the correct credentials and authorize Zapier to access your Slack workspace. Next, you must click on Action Event. This action will allow you to define what happens in GoHighLevel when the trigger from Slack occurs. A list of action events will be displayed for you to choose from. Select Create Contact from the Action Event options. This will set up the automation to create a new contact in GoHighLevel whenever the specified Slack message trigger occurs. Then click on Account again. This time you will need to connect your GoHighLevel account. Similar to the previous steps, a prompt will guide you through the authentication process. Finally, click on Connect High Gear. This action will link your GoHighLevel account to Zapier, allowing the integration to function properly. Make sure to confirm the connection and allow necessary permissions. Once all steps are complete, review your Zap configuration to ensure everything is set up correctly. You may want to test the integration to verify that it works as expected before relying on it for daily operations. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.